Hello guys, welcome back. So now we are going to start work on our home screen. So first of all, I will provide these 4 images, or you can say these images icons. You have to download this, okay? So please download that. Once you download this, then copy it, okay? And then come back to the Android Studio, right click on your project name, new, and let's create a new folder, new directory. We will give it name as images. So you can see images folder is created now. Now right click on this images folder, click paste and click OK. And now if I show you, then inside the images folder we have these 4 images, as you can see. Now the next thing is we have to basically include this images directory in our popspec.yml file. Only then we will be able to use these images. So for that purpose we have to come back here to the popspec.yml file, and here if you scroll you will find out this assets, okay? All you need is just to remove the comment from it, just like this, okay? So assets, and remember, let me first make it proper, then I will tell you. Remember, this assets A, it must be below this hash sign, or you can say below this uses material U, okay? As you can see, in proper alignment, do not give any space forward or do not give any space backward, okay? It must be exactly in this direction, as you can see, proper alignment, okay? That is, A is in proper alignment with this hash and in this U, okay? As you can see that. And then after it, in the next line we have to write dash our folder name slash, that is whatever is inside our this folder is, that is now the part of our this Flutter project, okay? So this dash sign must be below the second S of assets. As you can see, it is below the second S of assets, then one space, as you can see, and then your proper folder name slash, which simply means whatever is inside this images folder, that is now the part of our this Flutter project. Once you do this, then click on pub-get. Process finished with exit code 0, which simply means that it has been added successfully in our project. So we are good to go. Now come back here to the home screen. First of all, in the app bar we will add an image icon for our this home screen, that is for our app, okay? So on the home screen we can now simply say title, and in the title we will say image.asset, and from the asset we want to include the image, which is basically this logo.png openAI icon image, you can say. So we have to provide the proper path, that is inside the images folder we have a image by the name logo.png, just like this. And now let's just test the app to see how it looks. So the app is running now, and here you can see that image. So now of course we have to make it proper, I mean make it beautiful. I'm going to so that we can see the result at runtime. First of all, now we will set the width for our this logo, so let's go with 140, as you can see. Now by default here in the app bar it has some title spacing and elevation. If you see here below this app bar, then there is some elevation, you can see that, and also the title spacing by default it has too much, so we have to give it our own customized spacing. For example, after the title I can simply type here that is title spacing, and if I, let's say I'm going to give it 10, so you see it move little bit here, that is from the left side to here it is basically 10, that is title spacing is 10 for it now. So here the icon looks beautiful. For example, if you want to move it further, then you can just give title spacing 2, like that, as you can see, but 10 is okay. So let's go with 10. And then after it, next property is the app bar elevation. So for example, if you do not want this elevation, let me show it to you. Now you will see it with your own eyes. Let's say elevation, let's say I will go with 0, so it will just finish the complete elevation. I hope you can see that shadow type, okay, the elevation by default. So if you want, you can give it according to your choice. For example, 2 will be enough, or if you want it too much, then you can try like 14. As you can see the shadow now, so it is totally up to you, okay.